Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to choose who can message you on threads using your iPhone or Android device. If you want more control over who can message you on Meta Threads app, both iPhone and Android offer pretty easy settings to refine your inbox and protect your privacy. Threads also includes built-in tools that let you decide who can send message requests, who can reply to your posts, and how unknown accounts can interact with you. So, whether you want to limit messages to people you follow or completely block strangers, adjusting these options ensures a safer and more comfortable experience on the platform. That said, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Threads app on your iPhone or Android device, and then you have to head over to your profile. After that, you have to tap on the menu button in the top right corner of the screen and choose the privacy option in the menu. And under this section, select messages to proceed. Here you will find multiple options to control who can contact you. You can allow messages from the accounts you follow or from anyone without any restriction at all. If you prefer to keep things private, I would recommend you to choose only people you follow option. It's worth pointing out that Threads also separates message requests, which means unknown accounts won't reach your main inbox unless you approve them. You can further manage interactions by limiting who can reply to your post. Open any thread, and then you have to hit the triple dot icon menu button. Then you have to choose the reply options in the menu. Then you can choose from anyone profiles you follow or your followers profiles you mention, as well as review and approve replies depending on your needs. And if someone is bothering you, you can mute, restrict, or even block them directly from their profile. Fine tuning these essential settings lets you enjoy a fully personalized and safe messaging experience across threads. Now that you have unlocked these pretty essential features, or for that matter, settings, make the most of them to perfectly improve your experience in the Threads app. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.